Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this thumbnail. Please, if you are new here, consider to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever
So, one Sunday afternoon, we were just seated at home, bored, and with this bad hair. So my sister didn't like it, and she asked me, "What are you planning with that shaggy hair of yours?"
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
I just laughed and told her that I don't have any plan and tomorrow is on a Monday. Thus she decided to do me these braid lines, and this is how it went.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start.
Subscribe to my sister's channel for this beautiful and amazing first-time trial at FEC Carls 9944.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Please watch until the end of the video because I'm sure you are going to love the result. But anyway, I was to put on a wig. Please rate them on a scale of 1 to 10 on the comment below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes.
Thank you and be blessed. I appreciate your support. Bye. See you next time.